Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: write Python code that does the following: A. Assigns the value of 3, 4, and 5 of the variable A, B, and C respectively. B. Write an if statement that prints OK if A is less than B. C. Write an if statement that prints OK if C is less than B. D. Write an if statement that prints OK if the sum of A and B is equal to C. E. Write an if statement that prints OK if the sum of squared and P squared equals C squared. 2. Repeat the previous problem with the additional requirement that not OK is printed if the condition is false. And the answer of the question is: here's the Python code that accomplishes the given task. Python assignment value of variable A, B, C is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Part A: print A is equal to A, print B is equal to B, print C is equal to C. Part B: if A less than B, print OK, else print not OK. Part C: if C less than B, print OK, else print not OK. Part D: if A plus B is equal to C, print OK, else print not OK. Part E: if A square plus B square is equal to C square, print OK, else print not OK. This code will output A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. OK. This is the output when all conditions are met. If any condition is not met, it will print not OK for the particular condition. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.